Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ehsan and in today's video we're going to talk about IELTS keyword table for reading Cambridge 8 Cambridge 13. This is the academic book. In today's video you're going to familiarize yourself with a table like this which has two columns: keywords in the question, similar words or phrases in the passage. For example, you will see probably in the question and likely in the passage. Create a speech, produce words, discovery of errors, find inaccuracies. This table help you to find some clue words in the passage, and this is a technique called paraphrasing, which is something that you not only see it in the IELTS reading but also in the IELTS listening, and you can use it for IELTS writing and speaking as well. But before we get started, don't forget to smile and make yourself relax. And if you're new here, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be aware of it. Let's get started. Reading passage 1, the coconut palm. Making a furniture construction. I also write down the number of questions so you can go through this video after you take this Cambridge IELTS 13 test 3 and check the vocabularies related to each question. Source of sugar, type of sugar. Used for ropes, manufacturing ropes. When halved, broken in half. A source of hormones for other plants. Provides the hormones which encourage other plants. Need shade. The opposite is exposed to the full glare of the tropical sun. Germinate, to start growing. It's a verb. Glare, to shine with a very bright and unpleasant light. Probably, likely. Transported, moved. Cultivated, grown by man. The opposite is growing in the wild. This opposite means that this is probably, for example, true, false, not given question. Okay, I don't remember exactly what was the question, but as you can see, I'm not just only write down the vocabularies related or paraphrasing vocabulary, but also something that help you to find the answer, or sometimes I use the meaning of the new vocabulary such as germinate or glare in this page. Cultivated varieties, there are no relatives growing in the wild. Okay, reading passage 2, how baby talk gives infant brains a boost. Importance, it really matter. Individual attention, one-on-one context. Create a speech, produce words. A different way, another kind. Vocalizing, babble or talking. Babble, to talk in a quick, confused or silly way. Specialized computer programs, speech recognition software. Analyze, study. Interacting with, talked to. Babies, kids. Idea, hypothesis. Language, speech. Outside the family home, in public. Wider, expander. Kinds of speech, types of speech. Recorded, captured. A lot of, frequent. Had a much larger vocabulary, dramatically boosted vocabulary. Before birth, still in the womb. Each other, baby to baby. Preference, seem to like. Reading passage 3, whatever happened to the Harappan civilization. Exposed explanation. Some have claimed. Discovery of errors. Found inaccuracies. Errors, inaccuracies, flawed. You have no idea how many times I've seen this word. Errors, inaccuracies. Okay? In different kind of Cambridge IELTS books. Collecting, gathered, look at, analyze, adapt, adjust. Agricultural practices, combination of crops, changing climate conditions, different weather systems. Look at, examine, links, interactive networks, inhabitants, population, information, data. There is some interesting point, I'm going to mention it here. You don't have to memorize all of the vocabularies in here, because through the repetition of different Cambridge IELTS books, you're going to learn it without even much try. And repetition is actually a mother of learning, by some teachers said that to me. Okay, so bear that in your mind. Repeat, because learning a new language required a lot of repetition. Changes to environmental conditions, variable weather systems, vital, essential, examining, investigating, patterns of behavior, responses, rough calculations, estimate, approximate, about, information, evidence, and finally, decline, fall. Another point I'm going to mention it here. You can take this test, Cambridge 13, test 1, 2, or 3, whatever you want. And after that, you can go through this playlist provided for you and review the vocabularies in there, or you can review it first and then take the test. But it is better to take the test at first and then review the vocabularies in these videos that are provided for you. From up until now, I provided videos from Cambridge 7 to 13. Okay, you can review this vocabulary, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. And thank you very much if you're already a subscriber. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.